In this world dwells a multitude of creatures, many with deadly venom that can paralyze, cause agony, or even erase life itself. But what if we told you this peril has a flip side? As one door closes, another opens. In the shadows of danger, researchers, those tireless explorers of science, plunge headfirst into the abyss of the unknown. They dance on the slim edge between the venomous fangs of death and the hope of life saving cures. Imagine entering the laboratories filled with the menacing serpentine hiss, the loud rattling of a rattlesnake, and witnessing researchers' relentless pursuit to extract the essence that could be the only saving grace against the well known specters of chronic pain and blood disorders. These hidden healers unmask the fanged monsters, not just as harbingers of doom, but as potential saviors. They show us that in every threat lies a remedy, a chance to alleviate suffering. Their journey is not averse to risks, but the rewards? Priceless. A shot at life, a painless existence, a healthier,